the Starcraft SVX 171, a compact deck boat that packs serious punch for its size. Designed for family fun and all-day adventures, this 17-footer delivers style, comfort, and performance without breaking the bank. With sleek modern lines and a bold hull design, it turns heads from every angle, whether you're pulling up to the Sandbar or cruising the intracoastal. Step aboard, and you'll be surprised by just how much space Starcraft fits into 17 feet. Open deck seating, durable marine-grade upholstery, and thoughtful layouts keep things comfortable and functional. Up front, the spacious front deck lounge is perfect for soaking up the sun or relaxing with friends. Stainless steel grab rails and non-slip flooring keep things safe and steady while underway. Crank up the tunes with built-in marine-grade speakers. Midship seating gives everyone a spot to kick back and stay connected, whether you're anchored or on the go. At the helm, intuitive controls, a clean dash, and a comfortable captain's chair give you full command of the ride. Aft, you'll find an extended swim platform, ideal for water sports, lounging, or loading in from the dock. Powered by a reliable Yamaha 115 horsepower outboard, the SVX 171 offers smooth acceleration and easy handling for beginners and seasoned boaters alike. When the sun gets too strong, the included bimini top offers quick shade and comfort. And with a rear and front boarding ladder, getting in and out of the water is effortless. Easy to tow, launch, and love, the Starcraft SVX 171 is everything you need for laid-back days on the water. Swing by any Nautical Ventures dealership or visit us online at nauticalventures.com to check out the full lineup. Nautical Ventures, the go-to people for fun on the water.